Hi Chad, welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? It is about to be the 20th of December of 2022. And we're back for another admin and code stream. We're gonna try a new strategy today. We're gonna get some liquid inspiration. Where the fuck is my bottle opener? Chad, have you seen my bottle opener? It was right here. There it is. But how are we all doing today? Fixter Jake was first today. Hello, hello. We've also got Grundavir, we've got Metal Storm, we've got Valakadari, Dog Chef, Klinge from Denmark. Aren't you usually from Denmark? What is this Denmark? Kai Marku, hello, hello. Eric, good to see you again. VWoo says, let's go! Indeed, indeed. Walker Codes, hello, hello. Anything as a bottle opener if you want it to be. It's kind of true. But yes, we are drinking Special Double Cream Stout Sweet Stout by Bell's, a local brewery. And I haven't said anything about it. So I gotta have a sip, and then I gotta set things up. Spent too long pouring. And then the code.com, we got a minute. Oh, is that enough time? I hope so. Hello? Oh shit, I killed the bot. Hopefully it didn't do the reconnect dance. We lost one chat message. Our day 00 to day 20. I have switched my interpreter. We're just starting with PyPy. So that'll be fun. I retimed everything too. PyPy's actually slower when there's not too much work to do because it's dominated by startup costs. Part 2. Part 1. Download input. Yeah, so you can kind of see that it's a lot slower to run there. 35 seconds. All right, cool. Ready to go. Alkaline, hello, hello. Tart while I make my tart. That's an interesting name. Welcome to the stream. Typos are expected. Fair, fair. Sounds like a really good setup for your mom joke when asking me finding your bottle opener. I mean, I hope. New AOC start, just drink so you forget the paid. Yeah, that is the strat. That is the strat. All right, good luck to everyone who's solving. And again, I'm going to ignore chat, even though we are having a little bit more fun today. Oh, encrypted coordinates. Okay. Mixing. Move each number forward or backward in a file in a number of positions equal to the value of the number being moved. The list is circular. So this is a deck problem. For example, to move the 1 in the sequence, the 1 moves 1 position forward. To move the -2, the -2 moves 2 positions backwards, wrapping around. The numbers should be moved in the order they originally appear in the encrypted file. Okay. Got it. Mixing this file precedes as blah. Then the grove coordinates can be found by looking at the 1000, 2000, and 3000 number after the value 0, wrapping around. 4, -3, and 2, add them together, and you get 3. Okay, this actually isn't that bad. We are going to use deck. Oh, I should have just used this one. Okay, and we need to collections.deck to give ourselves a deck. Part 2 is going to be do this a whole fuck ton of times, I'm guessing. Okay, so the tricky part about this is finding the numbers after we move them. I actually don't think that's too bad. Actually, I think what I want to do is this. Orig numbers. Little sneaky copy there. For num in orig numbers. And I want to rotate while the number is not what we want. Dick. There's a rotate, right? Rotate, n equals whatever. But I think it's actually going to be faster to find the index of them. Numbers.index num. Mige? Mige? I definitely said that wrong. Welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. How you doing? I am not paying attention to chat, so ignore me. Solved by ChatGPT. Fucking ChatGPT. Fucking ChatGPT. 0. Well, that's not that useful. And how do we move it? Initial arrangement. So 1 moves 1 to the right. Okay, so then we do numbers dot rotate n equals idx to move, so it'll move 0. Temp equals numbers dot pop left, and then we want to do numbers dot rotate n equals temp, and then numbers dot, is it append left? Should be push left, but I don't think it is. I think it's append left because it's Python. Numbers 1000 mod numbers dot length. Ugh. Pen left. Missing. Oh, it's always I. -2 not in deck. Fuck. How did we lose a number? Probably because the popping didn't work right. Okay, let's follow this and see what it does. Okay, we pop left. We should have removed that. Okay. And then we're going to rotate 1. We should rotate -1. Here. It's not the problem, though. We probably also need to rotate negative index as well. Would be my guess. Let's try that. Length. What am I doing? Why did I write JavaScript? What am I doing? 0. Okay, we start with our numbers. 1 between 2 and -3. After the value 0. Oh, so we have to find the value 0. Shit. 0 idx 0 equals numbers dot index 0. IDX 0 plus, right, because you could rotate the thing in all sorts of different ways. Oh boy, how many numbers do we have? Exceeds the limit for integer string comparison? Oh my god, what? I don't see big number in here. Oh, my submitter thinks the number's too big. Oh, shit. I don't know how the value has this number of digits? That cannot be right. Oh, because we print out a whole bunch of shit. Have we ever had a negative advent of code answer? I was gonna say, that does not sound right. I've never seen a negative number from this. Okay, let's, how did we get the, how did we get the sample right? Ah! All right, let's look at what we get here. Open it in here so that I can see it at the same time. Okay, initial agent. Sure, great. 1 moves between 2 and -3. So if we wrap around 2, 1, -3, 3. Great. 2 moves between -3 and 3. Okay, so -3, 2, 3, -3. -3, 2, 3. -2, 0, 4, 1. That looks fine too. -3 moves between -2 and 0. -3, 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, -2. That looks fine. 3 moves between 0 and 4. 0, 3, 4. 0, 3, 4, 1, 2, -2, -3. That looks fine too. -2 moves between 4 and 1. 4, -2, 1, 2. 1, 2, -3, 3. Yep. 0 does not move. 0, 3, 4, -2, 1, 2, -3. Cool. 4 moves between -3 and 0. Yeah, the sample input looks great. Sample of it looks fine. Shit. Jacket Weird Boy, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh, fucking god damn it. I'm gonna try and get these in another way, which is like my mod math might be wrong. It shouldn't be. Negative IDX0. Okay, so then if we do numbers dot rotate 1 and then numbers dot rotate negative 1000, should have been the other way around. Numbers dot rotate negative 1, then numbers dot rotate negative 1000. Maybe the other way around. Numbers dot rotate negative 1. Numbers dot rotate 1000. Why do we not get a 4 at the beginning? Thousandth number after 0. People are zooming today? Yeah, I'm going slow though. I feel like this is right, but I can't figure out why it's not. One thousand, 2000, 3000. Also that it worked for the sample input bothers me. Okay, this is at the beginning. So we rotate negative 1. We've put it at the end. So this is the first number. Row rate. Okay, so that's what I have to do. Negative 1000 a few times. Did I print again? It's weird that PyPy gives this error message and not the, What the fuck? We got the same answer again. Hey, what's up, Ethan? Hello. Numbers should be moved in the order they originally appeared in the encrypted file. Numbers moved around during the mixing process do not change the order in which the numbers are moved. Didn't you rotate -9 and 9 and not 1,000? No, because 0 is at the front. So we would rotate 1 to move the 0, and then this is what I did to this is how it worked, so I don't think I need to do that. The sample input works great. Like, this is the end state. So we have 4, 0, 3, -2, 1, 2, -3. Yeah. This is exactly what the end state is. And my input file is the same. I got 3 negative numbers out of it. Some improvement in the sport library to automatically write the wrong answer to a file. SQLite would be overkill. Hey, what's up, Meat Sauce? Hello. Jacob Weird Boy, how's it going? Why did I write JavaScript more? The world needs to ask themselves this question. Yeah. Davey Music, hello. How's it going? I don't think my solution is wrong, but I also don't know. Eric, what the fuck? Yeah, my implementation is right. The only question is this part here, which I don't see how else I would get 4, -3, and 2 from this. Did Eric ever talk about it? No. Exit. Hello. Yeah, I don't understand. I'm gonna try and submit the positive number. I don't think it's right, but yeah. It's up, Standard Robot. With that, we have 5,000 numbers in there. I don't know. This code is dead fucking simple. And the sample works. Yeah, has anyone else finished it? Want to tell me where I'm stuck? Because I got nothing. I would love a rope out of the hole that I found. Yes, I would. Oh, fucking god damn it. The numbers are non-unique. Oh, shit. uh, Bye, Langalelo. God damn it. I'm gonna just use this. What is the easiest way to retain their indices without doing any math? I should do the math. Yeah. Okay, so we gotta get rid of this. We have to have our offset. Starts at 0. Because the first number is not rotated. So this is fine. And then I'm gonna just guess at this until I get it right, because is there more than 1 0? There better be only 1 0. Okay, only 1 0. So this was fine. Oh. Engineer. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. What? Why is this offset wrong? Minus I. Plus I. I'm just guessing all the permutations. Shit. Okay, let's actually think about this. Okay. So the next number is 2. Which we have rotated. We have rotated 1. So if we rotate negative... Oh, I think I just get rid of the offset and... easier way would be to just find it. Let's just find it instead. List enumerate ridge numbers. Yeah. Can you do index? Oh, we're gonna commit a sin, chat. No, we're not gonna commit a sin. I was gonna do for I in range len numbers. But I kinda want the num so I can use the assertion. Committing a sin. Oh. Casual Human 2, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Daddy needs a refill. Yeah, I do need a refill. Should I refill for part 2? Semamek, hello, welcome, welcome. Bro, no shot? Wait, what are we even talking about? What are you doing? Yeah. I was later, but still at 200-ish at 30 minutes. Probably part 2 is do this billion times or some shit. First you need to apply the decryption key big fucking number. Multiply each number by the decryption key before you begin. This will produce the actual list of numbers to mix. You need to mix the numbers 10 times. Holy shit. Oh, I thought... I thought we were done with the modular arithmetic problems. Okay, so we are multiplying things by a big prime number. I assume this is prime. Is that the number? Why didn't I open Chris Griffin's chat? I guess that's what Control-Shift-T did. Okay. Google says it's prime. Hey, what's up, Larry? Hello, hello. I made a lot of silly mistakes on part 1. Yeah, I made a very dumb mistake on part 1. How's it going? What is great? Hello. You've been reported for this code? Oh, for my mock.any abuse? Toxie, hello. Okay. So I actually don't think this is a big deal because I'm not actually moving the things a lot. Python is surely modding it for me, so I don't have to worry about it. So I think this is actually not a big deal. But maybe I'm misunderstanding. Because I think this magic rotate function handles this for me. I think. You could use bisect left. You're right, I could have used bisect left instead of mock.any. Maybe I'll do that after I get this working. Zero any is not in deck. Uh-oh. How though? Where did my tuples go? Oh. Did I just get super lucky? This kills the tuples. Oh, because we only do one pass in the first part. So my first part is technically buggy. I should probably fix that. Remind me if this doesn't take forever. Shit. You mix the list of numbers 10 times. The order in which the numbers are mixed does not change during the mixing. Numbers are still moved in the order they appear in the original pre-mixed list, so if -3 appears in the fourth original list, fourth number to mix during each round. What? Oh. I fucked myself. Just let the machine run it for 15 minutes like I did for yesterday's. Everyone says, got 647 out of 494. Leaving now because severely sleep deprived. Have a good one, Airbounce. Good to see you. Does Python really not optimize it? Oh, it does. Okay, we get there in the end. Sick. That took a while, but this problem was so easy. I just made such a dumb mistake. Oh. Wait, I said I was gonna grab another beer and then I didn't do it. Shit. Shit. Hey, what's up, Marsha? How you doing? How you doing, Shaz? You've been here the whole time, but I've been meaning to say hi. Hey, good night. Hello. You could straight brute force this one with a Python list and index del insert. It'd be so slow, though. Damn, I think if I would have known the numbers were non-unique, I would have gotten there way sooner. I might have even leaderboarded. But I'm sure everyone else had the same problem. I'm sure everyone else didn't think about that too. Oh, why is the switch off? Oh. It's supposed to be off. Well, it doesn't matter. I'm in end stream anyway, so. The list is literally faster than deck? List index plus del takes under 1 second. That's annoying. I feel like the deck should be faster. Hey, what's up, Choco? Hello. I checked if the numbers were unique. Yeah. I should have checked that too. If I would have checked that, I would have got there a lot sooner. You know what? I like my hacky shitty answer, so I think I'm gonna leave it. I am gonna fix my part 1 so that the codes are the same and I don't mutate. Actually, let's watch the type checker tell me that I've done fucking goofed. Unexpected keyword argument N. Oh, well, we can send a PR to TypeShed. Oh, look, they use pre-commit CI. Look at that. Standard lib, collections, init, deck, rotate. Yeah, they've marked it as named only. See if that line has a blame. Or positional name. Improve stubs. SX to doubt. I was right before. They ruined it. Unless it's that way in CPython. Oh, it's just wrong in PyPy. Ah. Hmm. Interesting. It's just wrong in PyPy. So we can fix it in PyPy. I don't remember how to contribute to PyPy. It's on heptapod. Oh, we're gonna have to figure out Mercurial again. LibPython. Nope. Where does lib live? Oh. Note that PyPy also contains a built-in underscore collection, which will hide this one if compiled in. This one is bogus. Don't run a production PyPy without the built-in collections module. Yeah, so I don't know how. So this is that's that one that's fucked. Where's the Where's this standard lib? I thought it was in libpython, but this only has 2.7. Oh, maybe I'm on the wrong branch. Branch 3.9. libpython 3. Here we go. Collections. It comes from the underscore collections module, which should be in libpypy. Here. Should have underscore collections. This one is bogus. Where's the actual good one? Or does it get built from this? Oh, I don't remember how this works. I don't remember how this works. I don't remember how to HG clone either. There's no way I have Mercurial set up enough to do this, right? I don't even have... Oh, I'm pretty sure... Because I did it this way before. Uh-oh, it's a TGZ, not a wheel. That makes me concerned. In PyProject.toml though. Cursed. Am I PyPying? I am PyPying. Precommit, I've heard good things. Yeah, not only are they using Precommit, they're using Precommit CI. You're a standard flip. What is Heptapod? It's a weird GitLab fork that supports Mercurial, I think. If I remember correctly. This is going to fail, even though I'm going to say yes. Nope. Do I have to sign up for this shit? Can I sign in with GitHub? Email address, read only. Yeah, sounds fine. Decline and sign out. It makes me scroll to the bottom. It's so funny. Preferences, SSH keys. Not the private key. How did it know? Okay, so now I should be able to clone. Lightspeed, Mercurial in pip. You can't just do everything in pip. Well, Mercurial is implemented in Python. And I know it's implemented in Python because I know the terrible hacks that they did to make it work in Python 3. The terrible hacks that they did to make it work in Python 3 are very similar to this piece of code that I wrote. This is an appropriately named directory. So you know, for instance, that Python 2 does not have f strings, right? Obviously, or Python t.py obviously does not have f strings. Syntax error, right? What if I told you that I could put a special little comment on the top of the file? Or it's dash, it doesn't actually matter. What is the Mercurial one? This is not what it is, but it's been so long that I've actually typed this out. I think it's, I don't know. This works. But there's some, or sorry, Emacs. There's a like Emacs special thing to put at the top. Doesn't matter. What if I told you I put a special comment in the file and then I install a library called future f strings, and now I put this wrong. Is this what it is? Oh, right. Special comment at the top of the file. And now Python 2 supports f strings. Anyway, Mercurial used a hack very similar to this to port to Python 3 because they wanted byte strings everywhere, and Python 3 is text strings everywhere. But anyway, very cursed comment in library. Oh my god, this is gonna take forever. I also don't remember how to use Mercurial. I think last time I used git remote hg, which made it so I can actually do stuff. hg branch? Surely it's not checkout. I don't actually know what the command is. Pi 3.9? Lib pi. How does this come from? Where's the actual collections module? Ah, PyPy module collections interp deck. Ah yes, wdeck. Most of my work stuff uses 3-stick, but still uses dot format. Ah, the worst. What else is positional only? I wonder if PyPy just doesn't have positional only. This was in 5.3.3.8. VWoo! Let's go! How you doing? I'm down a rabbit hole that I shouldn't be down. What is something else that's positional only? Int, I believe is. Got a positional only argument passed as keyword argument. Okay. So I gotta find how space.int works. Pythonista 24/7, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I believe you got a sub from. Oh, I didn't give you a shout out. Oh, I did give you a shout out. Oh, Fixture Jake gave you a shout out. Thank you, Fixture Jake. I'm sorry. I'm pets trimmer. I'm looking for built-ins int, maybe? PyPy, obj space, standards, long object, int object, long object, int object. Oh, I don't remember how all this shit works. Did you guys know that I'm a PyPy dev? You wouldn't guess it though. But look, I'm a member of the PyPy organization, and I think they follow me on Twitter as well. Somehow I don't think this is the real PyPy project. Oh, it is. What is going on here? 64 following. Follows you. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Quite the ratio there, though. Are we on part 2? No, I finished. I finished already. I'm trying to fix PyPy in like a weird way. Ladies, watch out, right? Yeah, I don't think anyone actually gives a shit. Where does new come from? W abstract, view long object. I think this is the PyPy space object. I actually want the the user space, which I can never remember where it is. I keep doing git grep. Arg air positional only as QWERTZ. Look inside if. My favorite thing about PyPy is their internal interpretation uses this magical namespace object that they conventionally call space everywhere. Still not as good as Eric's ratio, true. They use this namespace and they call it space everywhere, and my brain just thinks of what was the dude's name in Portal 2? The sphere guy. And how he's obsessed with space. Anyway, anytime I work on PyPy, that is all I can think about. Wheatley, yes, Wheatley. Good old fucking Wheatley. This is where this error comes from. But how does this get used? Collect the arguments of function call. Do they have alias HG to get? This must just not work in Mercurial grep, right? Let's put word boundaries around this. Let's see if we can find any other. Holy shit, that was slow. Okay, there's stuff in libpython that is definitely positional only. So what happens if there's anything in libpypy is the question. That's where... Oh, there is. Okay, so that makes this easy. Kill me. That means I can do... Is that how that works? I didn't think a positional only argument could have a default. Guess so. Portal 2 spoilers. Wheatley got to space at the end though. Kegsit! I was trying not to spoil things. Nah, it's fucking Portal 2. That game's been out for what, 20 years now? Oh, it's gonna make me feel old. Okay, only 10 years, but still. Shit. Shit. I'm so lazy. I'm so lazy. How do I actually make a fork and a commit in Mercurial? How to make a commit in Mercurial. I think I have to fork this. Dude, I am not I'm not smart enough for this. Yeah, I don't give a fuck. How do I fork on this thing? Yeah, leaderboard. Nice, Epsilon. I have no idea which puzzle it was, but some puzzle in Portal 2 stumped me for fucking hours. That was my favorite. So my favorite part about Portal was getting stuck on a puzzle and just like dicking around with the map for a while. It just felt so good to play around with that. Why is it HG Legacy? Because even Bitbug or even GitLab has decided to kill Mercurial. But PyPy has their own weird fork of GitLab that still works. How do I fork this repo? Is that a thing I can do? Is that how Mercurial works? How do people send merge requests? Is it on the left? Is it this? Dude, GitLab is the shittiest interface. I swear to God. Defective percentage, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Dude, what the fuck? Why? Who would ever care about this page? You care about that page? Maybe use the web ID? I mean, honestly, at this point. You can't edit files. Oh my god! This is the stupidest interface! I hate that you're right, Yoda Droid. I hate that this is the way to fork. I need another beer. I'll be right back. I'm not sober enough for this shit. And people tell me that GitLab is just as good as GitHub. Bullshit. Bullshit. Absolute bullshit. Okay, anyway. I grabbed one of the same beer, but I had to run up and down the stairs. So. I hate that clicking web ID is the way to fork the project. But I think that also means that I don't have to worry about Mercurial. Am I drinking water also? Yes, I am. I've got water. Coffee dude, yeah, we are done with today's project. But I ran the linter. Dude, what? Namespace is not valid. Forking is not possible for Mercurial projects. HG Legacy. Forking is not possible for Mercurial projects yet. Why is Control A not Control A? Thank you. Surely no one else has reported this. Oh god, what have I done? HG show last commit. What did I do? HG diff tip. No, I want like a commit object. HG tip dash P. I hope that didn't push directly to their. There's no way. There's no way. But that wouldn't be that fucked, right? Okay. Deck.rotate. N is positional only. I can't for the life of me figure out how to fork and make a pull request. So here's a patch that I also didn't test. Should we try and build PyPy? Does anyone remember how to build PyPy? To do. I don't remember how to build PyPy. There's a makefile. PyPy executable. Is it gonna be fine with PyPy 3 or do I need PyPy 2? I probably need PyPy 2. We're gonna download PyPy 2. PyPy.org. Build it in a VM, like I did with Git 3. Yeah. Anthon spent all his VCS learning on Git, can't comprehend the Mercurialisms. Yeah. Yet HG Legacy, right? Right, Aneurysm? And Maddie M, hello, hello. How you doing? Okay, we're gonna download PyPy 2. I think that's what I need. And then we're gonna get pretty fractal ASCII art. Because that's how PyPy works. Bloop, 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 bloop. Path equals quid slash z this slash this. Yay. We do which pie? Noise? This takes up to 1 hour and 5 gigs of RAM. I'm gonna hope that it doesn't take an hour. Last time I did this, it took 10 minutes. And that was on my shitty computer in 2015. So surely it can't be slower than that, right? That computer was... Okay, well... Well, we're off to a great start. Yeah, I'm not gonna send a patch then. We're just gonna make an issue. Because I don't know what I'm doing. But that made me look less of a fool. Extremely minor. In CPython, collections.deck.rotate is defined as def rotate self n equals 1 slash. So it's in C, so not exactly that. PyPy incorrectly, PyPy3 incorrectly accepts a named argument there. Import collections.deck. Rotate n equals 5. I tried to fork and poke around, but I cannot figure out how to use Heptapod. Last time I sent a PR was on Bitbucket. Alright, we'll start with that. Wellesley says, what are we doing? Can we get a recap? Okay, so I'm down a rabbit hole. I have solved day 20. I made a silly mistake. And now I am linting my code. And MyPy helpfully told me that n is not a named argument here. It's positional only. But PyPy let me use it named as a named argument, even though it shouldn't have been. What I was hoping to get is this is an error, and then this is an error. And now this should be mock.any. That. So I fixed the code here, but I was hoping that the linter was mad at me, and it was mad at me for a reason that I didn't expect. And so then we were fixing the reason that I didn't expect, and now I have fucked the code. Because this should be 1. Yeah. And part 2 should complain about the same thing. And now we should be good. There, cool. Part 1, part 2, init.high, input.text, Python, we can get rid of the to-do. We'll get our timing out. I happen to know part 2 is pretty slow. But whatever, it finishes in a reasonable amount of time. That 570 mentions why discrepancies can exist with positional arguments and other implementations. It does, yeah, mostly because yeah. I think this is the sentence you're talking about, but funny enough, this is false, so I don't know why they bothered putting this sentence here. Does this still happen with binasky.crc32? Dude, what have I done here? That's the wrong Python. Does this model even exist anymore? Yeah, it still does. So my guess is that my issue will be closed. This won't fix, which is fine. I don't really care. Oh no. What a cursed PR title. Oh, this means they had to write special code. Yep, nope, we can't do this. Why would they do this? Why would they move this? Breaks the implementation of this. What the fuck? They just don't even use the... Yeah, I can't accept that. I'll look at that later. I will comment on it when I am not inebriated. Oh, that was not the chess move I expected. Will that later too. Ah. I think you mean MR. I didn't make a merge request. I just made an issue because I couldn't figure out how to make a merge request because I couldn't fork. Which is just the way things go. You can downvote your own thing. Award added. Dude, oh, you can't even see it because it's off screen. Award added. Dude, GitLab is such a shit product. Oh, I guess that's what happens when you don't have anyone in product. Thumbs down. Award added. Can you thumbs it up too? Award added. Oh my god, wait. Oh, you can add other things too. Award added. Oh my god, that's so dumb. You know, it's probably even worse if someone got an email notification for that. It shows up in the audit log too. So when we migrated Flagate from GitLab to GitHub, any of the issues which had reactions on them just said I added like 20 comments that was like X reacted with thumbs up, X reacted with poop emoji, X reacted with smiley face skin tone too. Just like great. Great. GitLab fucking sucks. Okay, anyway. Type shed is right. PyPy is wrong. PyPy is probably not gonna fix it. That's probably okay. And we got our points for today. How am I doing on private leaderboard? Probably slipped a few spots because I feel like today was pretty bad. I'm definitely on the top of this one because I don't think anyone else is actually doing them all. Oh, still in third spot. Airbonce, you moved up though. But we'll take it. We'll take it. We'll take it. Anyway, what am I gonna do? I have half a beer. I feel like I should do something. Should I try and do day 13 in SQLite? What was day 13? Recursive int lists and sorting them. This one's gonna be hard to do in SQLite. Unless there's a trick that's on the subreddit. Let's see if there's a trick on the subreddit. People like you're the reason I have 100,000 unread GitHub notifications. See, GitHub doesn't do this dumb shit. GitHub doesn't send a notification for thumbs upping a comment. GitLab does, though. Is there a link to the solutions megathreads? Is that how this works? Day 13? There's someone who has a clever solution to this? Live journal. Dude, what year is it? I haven't seen LiveJournal since like 2008. People are still using LiveJournal. LiveJournal still exists? Dude, what the fuck? Prolog looks annoying. Where's somebody who's done this smarter rather than just actually implementing the problem? Yeah, this is just a compare function. They don't know how to mark down. I wanted to rely on standard sorting, so I decided to flatten the lists. Flatten eval p. If its instance L int return bracket 1, len L is equal to 0, return negative max depth. Return L2. Okay. That is clever. I like it. Okay, I could use this to make the SQLite stuff work. But implementing this in SQLite is the hard part. Because not only is it recursive, it's iterative. What do you say about editing the ASC input to make it easier to parse? I feel like that's cheating. I don't like that. Well, sorry. I feel like that's cheating if I were to say I implemented it in SQLite while editing the input. I feel like in the spirit of solving the problem, and this is personal, I don't give a shit what other people do. You can edit the input, you can manually type in your input, whatever. For my solutions, I want to read the input verbatim and produce the output verbatim. Or read the input with whitespace trimmed. One tiny asterisk is whitespace trimmed, just because my frequent hooks are going to do that. And in cases where it trims the whitespace, I usually make the solution work for both the full whitespace and the non-whitespace. Like the This stacks problem. Was that day 8? Nope. Which problem was it? This one, day 5. For day 5, it would have been very easy for me to manually type this into 4 lists and fuck around with that, but that felt not in the spirit of the problem. Also, the actual input has whitespace characters such that these all line up, but my frequent hooks strip them out. So my solution works independent of whether there's trailing whitespace here. Oh shit, that's not what I want to do. But I think this is how I would probably need to approach the SQLite one. That way I can just sort. I define defiance? Yes, 5. Yep. 5. These people are like real gross one-liners. Sorted y for x and pairs for y and x. Oh, they have their comp function. Haskell, don't give a shit. They wrote it in C and it still takes 7 milliseconds. It seems really slow. With O3 also. Day 13. Yeah, mine takes, I guess it takes 62 milliseconds for part 1. I feel like C should be a lot faster than that. But, oops. My ChatGPT experience in a nutshell. Internal server. Yeah. This one's in French. That's unreadable. JSON serializer. Deserialized JSON element S1. Love it. Okay, so I like that one person's unroll. I feel like it's gonna be percentages. Oh. Okay, it makes sense now. And with that note, we're gonna raid someone because I'm getting too sloppy for stream. Okay, yeah, I will see you tomorrow. We are doing a special stream. Has Juice told me what time she wants to do it at? 8 unread messages. Sorry, not tomorrow. We're gonna do Thursday. Thursday works well for me. I'm gonna be teaching Juice some Python stuff. We can do Python basics stuffs. Yeah. So we'll be doing that. Should be fun. There should be an over-engineered variant as well. Full microservice backend, right? But yeah, let's see if there are friends online. Otherwise, we will just end stream. What time? She says 11-ish, but I think that means Pacific time. So it would be 2... No. Yeah. 2 Eastern, 11 Pacific. Yeah. What is Snow doing? Is Snow doing AOC still? She's on day 11 with her roommate. Let's go say hi to Snow. It's 2 a.m. Oh, are you in Europe land? Anyway, go say hi to Snow. Have a good one, chat. I'll see you around. Peace.